Bonjour, a budget is the creation of a P&L, profit and loss. I will give you the link to the video which covers this chapter. We have seen that the first phase of the work is on the top lines, profit. So it is now important to analyze the expenses, loss, for each department. For the expenses in rooms, you will work closely with your director of finance, your director of operations, your director of human resources, and your director of rooms. Here too, the occupancy rate will have a strong influence because it will influence your variable costs, such as number of additional employees, cleaning product, purchase of linen, laundry, amenities, gel, shampoo, etc., complimentary gifts to guests on arrival, and other variable costs. After your variable costs, you will add all your fixed costs such as floral decoration in common areas, employees not linked to the occupancy rate, reception manager, head concierge, housekeeping director, etc., internal line, and other fixed costs. Your financial director will put all of this into his system to give you the department's GOP, gross operating profit. I will also provide you with the link to the video which talks about GOP. Here too, it will be very important to be able to explain every line to the owner when presenting the budget. In general, he will challenge you mainly on the productivity rate and therefore on the number of employees, which is generally the most important expenses. In the next video, we will talk about food and beverage expenses.